Samuel, is it recording? I think it is. So, step number 1, Samuel, I'd like you to... Step number 1, I want you to label your notebook, Samuel. Right on the top, label. Oh, you already did it. Hey, Samuel, you're too fast for me. Let's label it again. We're recording this. Cool drinks. And press enter. Don't move. They're coming back. Right. Now, Samuel, I want you to start coding. The first step is import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. So now that we imported pandas, and said it's going to be PD, you could have added anything else, right? We wanted to. Press enter, Samuel. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to read my CSV file, my cool drinks file, right, Samuel? By the way, Sam, where are you going to go? Coming back. Going to? A bursary meeting. Oh, okay, okay. Not now. Right. Okay. So, PD. Samuel, PD. Next line, line number 2. PD. Type PD. Dot. Thank you. There we go. Let's see, read. Yes, read. Why did you pick it up, Samuel? Underscore CSV. Open round bracket. Samuel, you don't have the file. Let's go find the file, Samuel. Oh, one step ahead of me. Click on the folder. And Samuel, you gotta upload this file in here. Samuel, chop it. Yeah, well done. Now, where's the cool drink file, Samuel? There we go, Samuel's cool drink file, which is age, gender, cool drinks. So for the benefit of the recording and for the benefit of the students that are not here, the first column out there, Samuel, is age. The second column is gender, which is male or female. 1 is for male, 0 is for female. The third column refers to cool drinks, whether you like Coca-Cola, Fanta, ginger beer, appetizer, or Sprite. And we want the computer to make a prediction what will missing data, missing age, give me in terms of choice of cool drink. Open it, Samuel. Yay, well done, Samuel. So there it appears on the left-hand side, cool drink.csv. Samuel, we're going to copy this part into pd.read. So where it says 2 dots, slowly, Samuel, slowly. We're dealing with first-year students here. So it says copy part. Then I go to my round brackets, Control V. I paste it. Well done. Wow, what happened there? Right? So now I've copied my part. So I'm indicating to this pd.read that this is where I have it. So Samuel, we don't like to read that long part. We want to store that into a variable. So if you don't mind, Samuel, come to the beginning of the line 2. And I want you to now put in what variable name should we give it? Cool drink. Okay, cool drink. By the way, we call it Monroe. Anyway, cool drink is even better. It's right, so we're going to call it cool drink. Now, let's go and print that, Samuel. So let's say print cool drink. Right, print cool drink. Let's just check that it is exactly what it is. Samuel, run this program for me. Yay! There's all the data out here. There's all the data out here. Well done. Now, Samuel, I want to now go and make a model. I'll use a model on prediction. That predicted. So, Samuel, I'm going to use capital X, my variable. Yes, capital X is equal to my cool drink data. My cool drink data. My cool drink, and I only want the age and the gender in this data frame. Right, this is my data frame. Here's my data here, right? I only want age and gender. Because remember the end in mind? Based on my age and gender, I want to determine what kind of cool drink the person would like to drink. Right? So Samuel, I want to drop. Oh, this is lovely. It actually gives me an indication that I want to drop. But is there anything called rating over here, Samuel? No, that's where we need us as human programmers. So drop. Just press tab, Samuel, and change the word rating. We don't want rating anymore. We want you to drop cool drinks, which is the third column, cool drinks, right? Now, the column that we want to make the prediction, which is the third column, in fact it's 1, 2, 3, 4, it's called cool drink. So the y variable, you know I told you we've got two variables here, x and y. Take out rating, Samuel, and put down cool drink. So you can think of it like this. In terms of research, you have a dependent variable and an independent variable. You are, what your age and what your gender is will indicate what kind of cool drink you will like. Alright? Well done, Samuel. So now we've got that. So let's just print this for me, Samuel. Print X and print Y. Print capital X, Samuel. Oh, stop, Samuel. This is one at a time. Print, run this for me, Samuel, please. Run it. Oh, Samuel. I think it's, where did Samuel find a mistake here? Samuel's got an error. Samuel, you got an error. So, let's go to cooldrink.csv. Samuel, click on cooldrink.csv on the left hand side. Let's look at, Samuel. It's called cool drinks, the S. Right. Samuel, run the program. There we go. So now my X array. X array. You know X array joke? Array, one dimension. Only has age and gender. Don't worry about the first column here, right? By the way, remember from C++, an array starts at position 0? Right. Samuel, do me a favor. Take out the word X in print X and put on print Y. Small letter y, okay? This is just some convention that they use. Run the program, Samuel. Well done! So, depending on what the person's age is and what the gender is, it will now state that the person would like Coca-Cola, Fanta, ginger beer, Pepsi-Cola. So now, the next thing we're going to do, Samuel, is use this decision tree classifier. So Samuel, wow, how did you know that, Samuel? How did you pick it up, Samuel? Here's the code to use that. From sklearn.tree, import decision tree classifier. So decision tree classifier is an algorithm. It enables us to take the data from X, capital X, and compare it to the data in small y, that variable, and then make a prediction. So just press tab, Samuel. And Samuel, we're going to be a little, we're not going to allow the computer to make decisions for us. We want to go and change it. So we don't want 21 and 1. I want you to delete 21 and 1. So we're going to select what a 19-year-old would like to drink. And what did you say you like, Samuel? Sprite. But I don't know whether that's according to the model, right? Go to cooldrink.csv, Samuel. So a 19-year-old likes Fanta. Right, so let's check that it works. So 19, 1. So let's predict 19, 1. So let's see what this lines of code means. It means, Samuel, from sklearn.tree, think of that as a library. Import decision tree model. Take whatever this decision tree classifier does with the data. So this is all happening in the background, the processing. And I must make a prediction. Oh, Samuel, you jumped one step ahead of me. Right, in order to use decision tree classifier, what did we have to import, Samuel? Oh, you did that. Right, do me a favor. Right, let's go. No, okay. Right. You missing a bracket? I can't see anything happening there. Go back to your previous program. There's a Fanta. There's a Fanta.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, Fanta. Right? Okay, don't worry about the error messages for now. We're going to sort that out later. But the important thing is that a 19-year-old male likes Fanta. Don't worry, I'm recording this, you can take it. Now, Samuel, open up Cool Drink. I want the computer to make a prediction for me. Does it have 18-year-old here, Samuel? Right, doesn't have 18-year-old. An 18-year-old, we are human beings, we're clever. We know that an 18-year-old should like Fanta. So go and make a prediction here. Let the model, let the decision tree classifier, in its wisdom, go and run the program. What does an 18-year-old like? Fanta, is that correct? Let's see what a 40-year-old male likes. Is there a 40-year-old in the test data? No. Run the program. He should like ginger beer. Yes. Let's not be sexist and let's include some females. A 40-year-old female, what does she like? She should like appetizers. Yes. Let's go for a 10-year-old female. A 10-year-old female should like Pepsi. Yes. And this is what I need to show you in terms of machine learning using sklearn, using a decision tree classifier. Samuel, you would be?
Yes, sir.
Copy this, paste it to our WhatsApp group, share the file in the WhatsApp group, and that calls it a day for us. Ooh, let's stop the recording here. And stop the recording.